Alright, quick update on Dogelon Mars. So it looks like we've finally broken macro bullish for Dogelon Mars again. Now, let me highlight this as orange so you can tell this is the zone that I've been talking about that we need to break out of. Now, if we look at this in a macro perspective, this was the 618 Fibonacci retracement, and this was basically the #1 level that we needed to get above for Dogelon Mars to become bullish. Now, not only have we jumped above that, but also this massive descending red trend line that we've been talking about in my last few videos, and we have finally hopped above this as well. So all in all, there's really not too much to talk about for Dogelon Mars. I mean, we've broken bullish again. I would be looking for a nice back test of this region down here at the 944, which is approximately about a 6% retracement from where we are now. If we did backtest this region and started to push up, I would be very tempted to enter another position on Dogelon Mars. Now, I already do have a tiny bit of ELON. It is a sub 1% allocation of my portfolio. But yeah, I mean, all in all, Dogelon looks pretty good. If we look at this on the hourly, I mean, we've already backtested this. So this might be enough for Dogelon Mars to have another push up. If we come down to the 4 hourly as well, you can see that we've had 2 retests of this and started to push up, and the volume confirmed breakout on this was absolutely crazy. So there's definitely volume confirming this breakout. We do look very nice right now, and that is basically all I wanted to update you on for ELON. So ELON has broken macro bullish now. We've obviously broken, you know, mid to micro term bullish, but obviously macro being the most important time frame that we do need to hop over, and we've finally done it. So what I'd personally be looking for now is a push up till we get to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. Let's see how far away that is from where we are now, because like I said, we've already backtested the 618 here. We just haven't done it on the daily time frame. So keep an eye on if we are able to enter and backtest it on a daily time frame. I think if we do backtest it later today and close the daily candle around here, or on the flip side, if we do close around the level that we are at today, right now around this region here, we have already backtested this on the 4 hourly time frame. So I would just be looking for another daily candle to come and start to push up above the 618, and then I'd be very tempted to enter a trade on ELON. So like I said, the first target that we can see here is the 0.5 fib. That is a 20% move from where we are now. After we do break that, I think it is going to be pretty much smooth sailing. We don't really have much volume traded around this region. You can see, if I take a tool, you can see from this day here to all the way here, we've got 84 days worth of data traded in this region. And do bear in mind, approximately about 20 days of that data was, you know, not in this region, it was below it. So we really only have 2 months worth of data in this region. So I do think once we start gearing up to break above the 0.5, which like I said is a 20% trade from where we are now, we will pretty much, in my opinion, be starting to head to the all-time high, and this is a massive trade to the all-time high. Candle body close is a 128% move. To the wick up here we have a 166% move. So all in all, do bear in mind, Dogelon is one of the cheapest dog coins that I have done analysis on. Obviously, I cover Shiba and Doge as well, and Dogelon Mars just has a dirt cheap market cap. So this is the breakout we've been looking for. We are starting to look very amazing. We are a little bit overextended on the daily, but nonetheless, these dog coins and these meme coins can become very overextended. And if we do look at this on a weekly time frame, you can see there's so much room to move to the upside, especially on the money flow indicator, but obviously on the RSI as well. We've got tons of room to go to the upside. So that is all I see for Dogelon. We are looking pretty good, and like I said, if we do close another daily candle above this 618, or if we do come back down to backtest it, because I did miss the 4 hourly backtest of this, I wasn't looking at the charts. But yeah, that's basically all I'm looking for. I would be looking to enter a trade if we do either of those scenarios. Obviously, like I said, I do own a small amount of Dogelon anyway, and I am looking for us to come up to the 0.5 and then eventually come up to retest the all-time highs. Whether that takes a couple of weeks, whether it takes a couple of months, not a big deal for me. So that's all I see for Dogelon Mars. Best of luck if you are holding it. Once again, none of this is financial advice, it's just my own opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Cowboy out, peace.